Yeah, it's like T-Rex, right? That's pretty, yeah, it is totally
you know it.
I love that shirt. That's the funniest shirt ever.
She saw her a few months later and she's all, was it like?
Hi, baby girl.
I still remember the
Do you remember my name?
Yeah. Ouch, but yeah.
Yeah,
We've been meaning to for the last couple months, but it's just
I mean, it's
scheduling
still a little
stuff.
crooked, but.
Then come bring your butt down a little bit more.
Get a worm, lady.
Get behind her.
Come on, you got it. Come on, sweeties. There you go.
Really?
Yeah, she loves it.
The one on the outside here is a little loose. Bring a little tension out.
You what?
I can see that it'll be complicated issue.
You like what?
I was just thinking before, it was like,
Yeah.
I went the wrong way. From this one to this one. There you go. There you go. All right. So you remember the wiggle?
How you were wiggling before?
Yeah. Just gonna give you a little bit more tension. I'm gonna kind of get your butt off the ground, okay?
Okay.
But I think you totally got this. Because it didn't
Yeah.
bother you yet. Just a little bit.
Are you sure I'm not too heavy?
Andrew,
Yeah,
damn.
you're too big for that harness.
Yeah, right. Big.
Yeah, you fit into this tiny harness. You're fine.
It feels like
Wiggle your booty a little bit.
yeah.
Just stay breathing. You got this. You got lots of love around you.
In through the nose,
Out
out
through the
through the
butt.
mouth. Breathe all the way into your diaphragm.
Right at Olive.
Yeah, I'll take that.
fill up a little bit more.
Just a little bit more.
Brazilian suspension fart porn.
I need to scoot down.
Can we scoot down a little bit more? Okay, let's scoot your butt down a little bit more. Yeah, because it pulls you up like this, so it kind of feels like your butt's shifting down as you're coming up. So similar.
Forward, like it.
Oh, there you
Awkward because it pulls in a direction you haven't been pulled before.
And you have hooks in your knees, you know, it's a little awkward.
I was going to give you a little more tension with your butt up. Okay? Just a little bit.
Keep breathing, Krista. Real deep.
Oh, now
shallow.
it kind of hurts.
Yeah, it's gonna, you're going to feel like a little bit of burn.
Keep breathing, girl. In through your nose. You got this.
Now's a perfect chance to kick her.
I would never.
Tick kicking suspension flight forward.
Great.
Blast.
Let your core relax.
When you're breathing, Krista, breathe.
Your diaphragm, Mama, really. And calm yourself.
There you go. Oh, good. Really good.
Shaking is so still. Adrenaline pumping. It's got nowhere else to go. Keep breathing, Mama.
And kind of work into it. You're going to feel the tension on each side.
There you go, Krista.
Everything going
You're a
well.
champ, doing
Relax,
good.
relax up here. And just work down there. Relax
You're
your
doing
arms.
really good, Krista. You're almost at Mama.
Got it. Just breathe. Deep, deep breaths.
There you go.
Alright, we're going to go a little bit more, okay?
Your lower body's up, and that weighs more than your upper body. So,
It's just your shoulders now.
yeah.
Alright, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Really good.
Yeah, that's right.
You got this. That's where you're at right now.
Yeah,
It's
it's
really
good.
all
It's a
of it.
good place to be.
Now, baby.
Now it's just transition.
You ready to go up? A little more.
Hello.
You got this, girlies. It's just your shoulders on the ground now. Now when you go up, just tuck your head, your chin to your chest, and it'll help a little bit, and we'll get you up
Release
from
the
there.
back of her neck.
like to hold on
Yeah,
like that.
really.
Just keep breathing. There you go, babe.
Okay, hold on. You got this. Stay breathing.
That's it, baby.
Remember, it's hey.
We love you, Krista.
Once you get to the other.
But so I'm making a note of Beaver what? Beaverbong.com.
Dude, this was a nice bike, man.
Hold on. Smoke.
You could, but it's got an old BMX style.
Too many pictures.
He was gonna do an asphalt maybe, but it's kind of running out of time. Probably this might be our last.
The cranks alone are brand new. And
I like shit.
Oh, they're going out to the
Yeah, you guys totally aren't.
Hey, breathe with me. Hey,
No, I seriously need to look at my throat.
you can throw up. It's okay. Hey, look at me. Give me your eyeballs. Breathe with me. Watch how I breathe, okay? Big deep. We need a chair for her. We need a chair for her like now. We need a chair or something for her like
sit
now.
down. Hannah, sit down. Sit down.
What's going through your head?
Yeah, kind of like you can't hear. This happened to me on my first suspension, and I passed out cold. You can fight it. It's gonna get really hot and almost like overwhelm you.
Do a little sip.
The first time you got hooks put in?
Totally.
You can warm it up in your mouth a little bit before you swallow it, so it doesn't hit
I
your
probably
belly
took
cold.
like 45 minutes to get off the ground. I was like,
Once in New York, I was in a taxi with a bunch of people, and I drank way too much, and I had to pull the door open of the taxi. And
I'm gonna put a cold towel on the back of your neck.
And then finally we pulled.
This is good acquaintance here.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll hang out with him later.
Okay.
Want some Gatorade?
All right,
That's not a trash bag.
You know what I'm talking about?
there you
Remember
go. Hold
that
your
you
feet.
can move your arm.
If you ever get any pressure on your lower back, that's a good way to take the pressure off too. And you could totally like high kick your brother in the face right now if you ever wanted to do that.
yeah, you remember all those times when
time?
you were a kid and he pushed you down? I think Mom has those on video actually.
You can get the fucking swing on here. I love it.
Give her some good big push.
Right? Get her two-hand job, two-hand job. Yeah, girl. Yeah.
Here, middle side
She
this
wants to
thing.
spin. How's her bio doing up there? Right, she's alright. Yeah, you'll get bio. No.
You won't hit it.
Just maybe.
Nature.
See, this is where we use the machete.
Oh! Alright, two.
Yeah, where is that guy?
In the face.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, let's swing her this way. Can we do that?
Yeah, change the
Let's
direction.
start, yeah, let's change her direction.
The cats with a toy playing.
The cat's fatting on
She wasn't saying anything. So
You're smiling.
Yeah?
bring her down. Bring her down.
A little boozy in here? You're gonna hate this music.
Next time.
Where's your name, Rachel? Yeah.